Hello students, I am Ajay Kumar Shetty, HOD Department of Computer Science, Vivekananda Institute of Management, Kalburgi. In the today's session, I will be discussing regarding the syllabus of BCA first semester Digital Electronics. Okay, so this paper is of 100 marks and it is divided into two parts, theory part and internal assessment part. Okay, so theory will be of 80 marks and internal assessment will be of 20 marks. Okay, so basically this subject has divided into 4 units. So unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4 in this order, and this is of 60 hours duration. Okay, so other than that, for this paper you will be having a practical part. So digital electronics practical part. So and this practical will be of 50 marks. So 50 within 50 marks it is divided as 40 marks for a lab and 10 marks for internal assessment for that lab paper. Okay, so now we will go through with the syllabus regarding unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3, unit 4. Okay, so here unit 1, so basically it contains regarding n number of different topics like digital computers and digital systems. So then regarding binary numbers, that is 0 and 1 format. So after that number based conversions. So here we will be studying regarding conversions from binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. So in this order you will be studying different conversions. So after that you will be studying regarding complements. Okay, so in the complements you will be studying regarding 1's complement and 2's complement. Okay, so after that other than that there is a next topic, that is regarding binary codes. Okay, so here you will be studying regarding different types of codes, gray code, ASCII code, EBCDIC code, 8421 codes. So in this order different codes you will be studying in this topic. So after that next is binary storage and registers. So after that you will be studying regarding binary logic. So then you will be studying regarding different ICs, that is integrated circuits. So after that in the unit 1 you will be studying regarding Boolean algebra, that is definition of Boolean algebra. So other than that you will be studying basic theorems and properties of Boolean algebra. Then you will be studying regarding Boolean functions, then regarding canonical and standard forms. So after that regarding logic gates. So here in the logic gates you will be studying different types of logic gates that are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gate. In this order you will be studying different types of logic gates in the unit 1. So after that regarding unit 2, here in the unit 2 you will be studying regarding simplification of Boolean functions using 2, 3 and 4 variable maps. So maps are nothing but K-maps. So it is also known as Karnaugh map. So here in the 2 variable K-maps you will be having 4 squares. In the 3 variable K-map you will be having 8 squares, and in the 4 variable K-map you will be studying with 16 squares. Okay, so after that the next topic will be sum of products and product of sums simplification. So here in the sum textbook he has referred sum of products as SOP and product of sum as POS. Okay, so after that you will be studying NAND and NOR implementation. So these two are the gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. So how these gates are implemented you will be studying. So you will be implementing these gates with the help of NOT plus AND, that is NOT plus AND becomes NAND, and NOT plus OR is NOR gate, NOT plus OR is NOR gate. After that you will be studying regarding non-degenerate forms. So then regarding AND or invert methods. So invert is nothing but NOT gate, invert is nothing but NOT. Okay, so after that regarding determination and selection of prime implicants. So after that regarding determination and selection of prime implements. Then next important topic regarding in the second unit is combinational circuit. So here you will be studying in the combinational circuit regarding design procedure, adders. So adders, in the adders you will be studying regarding half adder and full adder. Next is subtractors. Here in the subtractors also half subtractor, full subtractor you will be studying. So after that code conversion is there. So then analysis procedure is there. So then you will be studying regarding multi-level NAND circuits and multi-level NOR circuits. So these are the basic things you will be studying in the unit 2. So after that, next regarding unit 3. So in the unit 3, the different topics covered are binary parallel adder, decimal adder, magnitude comparators, decoders. So in the decoders you will be studying parallel encoders also. In the multiplexers you will be studying demultiplexers. So then regarding ROM, that is read only memory. So then PLA, that is programmable logic array. So these things you will be studying through combinational circuits. After that, next bit is regarding sequential circuits. In the sequential circuits you will be studying regarding different types of flip-flops. So like JK flip-flop, SR flip-flop, T flip-flop, D flip-flop and master slave flip-flop. So these are 5 different types of flip-flops you will be studying in the flip-flops. So after that, regarding analysis of clocked sequential circuits. So then regarding flip-flop excitation tables. So after that you will be studying regarding design procedures, then design of counters, then design with state equations. Okay. So these are the different topics covered in the unit 3. So then comes unit 4. So in the unit 4, the different topics covered are resistors, then shift resistors. So basically there are 4 types of shift resistors are there: serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel out, parallel in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out. In this order the shift resistors are classified. So then you will be studying regarding ripple counters, synchronous counters. These are the 2 different types of counters you will be studying. So here ripple counter is also called as asynchronous counter. Ripple counter is also called as asynchronous counter. So then next we will be studying regarding synchronous counters. After that, timing sequences is there. Then the memory unit is there. So after that, examples of RAM, that is random access memory. So these topics you will be studying. So other than that, regarding inter-register transfer you will be studying. So then regarding arithmetic, logic and shift micro operations. So here arithmetic, logic and shift micro operations. So here arithmetic is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So such type of operations you will be studying. So then comes regarding conditional control statements. Here in the conditional control statements you are studying some different types of statements which is used to check the conditions, like if else, in this order these things are implemented. So after that you will be studying regarding fixed point binary data, that is fixed point binary data, then overflow, after that arithmetic shifts, then regarding decimal data which will be lies between 0 to 9, that will be here it will be whole numbers. After that floating point data or data with decimal point, then a non-numeric data, that is alphabets. So after that regarding instruction codes, lastly we will be studying regarding design of simple computer. Okay. So these are the 4 different units you will be studying in this digital electronics paper in the BCA first semester. Okay. So after that, so regarding the question paper pattern, so basically there are 4 units, and the 4 units here the 4 units 2 marks questions are there, 5 marks questions are there and 10 marks questions are there. So it is shown in the table. So from unit 1 2 marks question you will be getting 2, from unit 2 2 marks question 2, from unit 3 2 marks question 3, from unit 4 2 marks question 3. So then regarding 5 marks question, from unit 1 1, from unit 2 1, from unit 3 2, from unit 4 2. So then regarding 10 marks question from unit 1, so you will be getting 2 10 marks question, that is 20 marks. Then from unit 2 once again you will be getting 2 10 marks question. Then from unit 3 1 10 marks question, from unit 4 1 10 marks question. So these are the question paper pattern regarding your paper. And regarding section A, section B, section C, Okay.